Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. The appellant is engaged in providing event management services which are undisputedly taxable under Section 65 Appellant Impugned Order of the Finance Act, 1994, and the appellant is registered with the department and has been paying service tax. Full stop. The appellant services are hired by the Indian Council for Cultural Relations under Ministry of External Affairs to manage its various events. Full stop. The Office of the Directorate General of Audit audited the records of appellant and found that the appellant had paid the service tax of while it had provided services aggregating to rupees 10,000 bracket including service tax bracket close during this period. Full stop. Audit therefore observed that service tax was short paid. Full stop. Accordingly, show cause notices dated 3/8/2012 2/4/2014 were issued to the appellant proposing to recover the short paid service tax aggregating and also proposing to impose penalties under the sections 76, 77 of the Finance Act 1994. Full stop. These show cause notices were adjudicated by the impugned order. Full stop. Aggrieved. The present appeal is filed. Full stop. As an event management agency, the appellant conceptualizes, consults, plans, coordinates, and organizes events hosted by the client in the following manner. Full stop. The client has the appellant only for conceptualization, planning, and coordination of the event and separately has third party service providers such as transporters, etc. Full stop. The appellant receives only professional fees on which it has paid service tax which is not in dispute. Full stop. The client requests the appellant to organize the complete event, in which case the appellant approaches third party service providers and engages them as per the budget allocation and instructions given by the client. Full stop. The appellant pays vendors and claims reimbursement of the cost of these vendors from the client along with utilization certificates duly certified by the auditors. Full stop. The dispute in this case is with respect to the second type of contracts. Full stop. According to the revenue, the appellant is providing a complete service and has to pay service tax on the entire amount, including what has been paid by it to the third parties and is reimbursed by the client. Full stop. According to the appellant, it is only providing the service of organizing the event and the amounts which it paid to third parties were only reimbursed by the client. Full stop. Therefore, it was acting as a pure agent and no service tax can be levied on the amounts which it paid to third parties which have been reimbursed by the client. Full stop and over. सो ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी नियर अबाउट 90 WPM। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर more dictation for Punjab and Haryana subordinate court stenographer exam. Be practice for a better future.